Being a densely populated region, Flanders started looking for alternatives to landfills and to incineration more than 40 years ago. Today, 75% of our domestic waste is being recycled. That is one of the highest rates in the world. And we are ambitious, because we still want to increase this even further. Research and development of recycling and reuse of waste and other side streams have proven very successful. Flanders is one of the most open economies in Europe. It is characterized by a strong economic and industrial tissue. Stakeholders in many sectors, including chemicals, construction, and logistics, make alliances with each other along the value chain, but also with research centers, startups, and within the different clusters. They identify common ground for the challenges, they share data, and they search for sustainable win-win solutions. Circular economy models and solutions assist us in a transition to a sustainable economy and society.
The multi-stakeholder partnership Circular Flanders aims for the transition towards a circular economy in Flanders with a reduction of the material footprint of 30% by 2030. We have been very active in all kinds of experiments, and in this tour we would like to present to you the Flemish Green Deal on circular building. It's a network of 360 companies and organizations in the building sector working and learning together to close the loop. They are eager to exchange insights from the experiments they did on urban mining, circular design, and innovative business models.
With Juno, we offer circular interior walls at the same price as a classical wall, and thus we make it economically logical to choose for the sustainable alternative. The main driver of our success is our building speed, because lower labor costs means that you can invest more in circular materials at the same end price. To solve the climate crisis, we will need to have new business models. And the circular economy is an excellent example of this, because it makes reusable solutions more cost efficient than the single-use alternatives that we use today. And thus it's been able to scaling very fast and have a huge sustainable impact.
At LEDEX, we manufacture waterproofing membranes completely made out of unusable waste. All our membranes are durable and recyclable again. They are designed to dismantle. We came up with the idea of using waste, as we also have a factory where we manufacture bituminous membranes, and the use of bitumen is prohibited by 2050. It's very nice to work in the circular economy, as there are beautiful possibilities. One of the biggest possibilities there is by using waste, your raw material cost is very low, and that increases the profitability of your company. And in the meantime, your environmental footprint can be very, very low.
In 2017, we completed the new headquarters of the EFRE.NRW on the UNESCO World Heritage Zollverein in Essen. As a developer, we believe that every building should tell a story. We wanted to show that it is possible to create one of the most sustainable buildings on a former industrial site that was declared a World Heritage. In December 2017, the EFRE moved into the first office building in Germany with extensive cradle-to-cradle measures. As we were one of the first movers in this field of circular economy, we are very proud to be a part of this outstanding project. Only because of the great commitment of everyone involved in the team, it was possible to make it happen. The C2C concept is brilliant. You don't regard the life cycle of a building linearly, but circularly, by avoiding composites and instead plugging or screwing the materials. The building becomes a material bank. The installed resources only temporarily have the function house. When the building is deconstructed, the materials can be used again in different functions or contexts.
Prosperkolleg is an innovative product who is 100% circular. With this, we change the mortar and the glue in a dry connection, and we do it this way with the brick. We show it, it works like that very easily, and the next brick on top of it. That's the way we build now facing bricks, 100% circular. Circularity have a huge potential worldwide to create a better environment for everyone. But the lessons to learn is act now, start using circular products.
At Flanders Investment and Trade, we team up with our specialized industrial clusters and focus on boosting sustainable international collaboration and business opportunities, both trade and invest. Seated in an open economy, Flemish ecosystems can easily extend across borders, creating larger circles and inviting foreign companies to join our networks. We believe in the strength of initiatives such as this virtual travel of circular SMEs across Europe, because of its triggering and of its inspiring impact. We therefore gladly joined and supported and still support this initiative of linking and connecting the dots in the European circular economy. Since our Flemish and Belgian experience as a host at the Circular Economy Hotspot in 2019, we have witnessed a boost of our circular thinking with all our Flemish stakeholders. We wish Catalonia and Rhine-Westphalia all success in their preparations as a circular economy hotspot. And above all, we wish them a similar additional drive towards the circular economy